vertical garden brimming with vibrant plants, creating a lively contrast against the dark building. The setting is a serene suburban neighborhood, with warm evening light casting a golden glow over the scene. The spacious deck boasts comfortable outdoor seating, including a large, gray sectional sofa and a round coffee table. Elegant outdoor lighting fixtures hang above, illuminating the dining area, which features a simple, contemporary white table and black chairs. The well-manicured lawn, composed of rich green grass, adds a fresh, inviting feel to the atmosphere. A modern eco-friendly house with a sleek design, featuring large glass windows and wooden cladding. The structure is surrounded by lush greenery and a variety of plants cascading from the rooftop garden, creating a vibrant, living facade. The setting includes a well-manicured garden with various textures and shades of green, along with carefully placed stone pathways and a serene water feature reflecting the surroundings. The aesthetic leans towards hyperrealism, capturing the interplay of light and shadows with warm, natural colors like earthy browns, deep greens, and gentle grays. A picturesque Italian villa set against a backdrop of rolling hills, showcasing rustic stone architecture with a terracotta roof. The scene is bathed in soft, natural light, creating a serene atmosphere. Lush greenery surrounds the property, with neatly trimmed hedges and ornamental shrubs in vibrant shades of green. In the foreground, a beautifully arranged lavender field adds a pop of purple, creating a striking contrast against the earthy tones of the villa. Elegant terracotta pots filled with flowering plants add charm, while cypress trees rise majestically at the edges of the scene. The sky is a soft blue, with light clouds subtly enhancing the tranquil vibe. A modern architectural home nestled in a lush tropical landscape during twilight. The building features large glass panels and wooden accents, creating a seamless blend with nature. The setting includes vibrant green lawns and expertly arranged tropical plants, including palm trees and vibrant ferns. Warm, inviting light spills from the interior, reflecting off the glass, contrasting with the deep greens and dark wood of the exterior. The sky displays soft hues of twilight blue and hints of orange, enhancing the serene atmosphere. A serene modern house set in a lush, landscaped garden, capturing the essence of a twilight evening. The architecture blends sleek lines with natural elements, featuring dark wooden siding and stone accents. Warm amber lights accentuate the house's outline and illuminate the glass panels of the surrounding porch, reflecting off the cozy ambience. The garden is a vibrant mix of green grass, textured gravel pathways, and a variety of plants, including tall grasses and colorful shrubs. Shadows cast by the trees enhance the tranquil mood, while the sky transitions from blue to a soft dusk hue. A modern architectural marvel set in a lush, green landscape, featuring a multi-level house with large glass windows that reflect the surrounding nature. The design is sleek and minimalist, with sharp lines and an interplay of dark materials. The rooftop garden thrives with vibrant foliage, creating a sense of harmony between the house and the natural environment. Warm, ambient lights glow from the interior spaces, suggesting a welcoming atmosphere during twilight. The scene captures a serene moment, with soft, natural colors like deep greens, earthy browns, and subtle touches of warm white from the lighting. Rooftop terrace scene, modern architecture featuring a sleek glass facade, vibrant flowers in shades of orange, purple, and white, lush greenery surrounding the terrace, urban skyline in the background under a clear blue sky, warm sunlight casting soft shadows, inviting and tranquil atmosphere. Hyper-realistic style emphasizing sharp details and vivid colors, contemporary furniture arranged casually in the open space. A touch of playful elegance from decorative plants and flowers, designed for leisure and relaxation, seamless integration of nature and urban living. A contemporary urban home featuring a striking vertical garden that showcases an array of lush green plants and vibrant colors, creating a living tapestry on one side of the structure. The facade is modern and sleek, constructed from concrete and glass, with large windows that allow natural light to flood the interiors. The outdoor space includes a well-manicured lawn framed by leafy greenery and comfortable outdoor seating arrangements. The atmosphere is serene and inviting, suggesting a harmonious blend of modern architecture with nature, captured in a hyper-realistic style. Warm lights illuminate the interior, contrasting with the earthy tones of the plants. A modern multi-level home designed with an emphasis on harmony between nature and architecture, featuring lush greenery covering the rooftop and balconies. The structure is a blend of large glass panels and natural stone, creating a seamless connection with the surrounding landscape. The exterior is adorned with a variety of vibrant flowers and plants, enhancing the organic aesthetic. The scene captures a warm, inviting glow from the interior, contrasting with the cool dusk tones of the environment. Surrounding trees and foliage frame the building, while the pathway leading to the entrance is lined with small plants, emphasizing a tranquil and serene setting. Modern architectural masterpiece surrounded by lush greenery, designed with a blend of stone and wood, featuring large glass panels that reflect the natural surroundings. The scene showcases a striking combination of outdoor living spaces, including a stylish patio with plush seating and an elegant umbrella. A serene infinity pool with crystal clear water mirrors the bright blue sky and the vibrant colors of autumn foliage. The setting is bathed in warm sunlight, enhancing the rich earth tones and inviting textures of the landscape. A modern, two-story house featuring a sleek design with large glass windows and wooden accents, nestled in a sunny outdoor setting. The exterior showcases a combination of natural stone and rich wooden textures, creating a warm and inviting aesthetic. Surrounding the house, lush greenery including potted plants and decorative succulents adorn the sandy pathways, complemented by vibrant landscaping with a variety of foliage. The scene captures a serene atmosphere with a clear blue sky, sunlight casting soft shadows, and hints of natural sunlight. A hyper-realistic aesthetic enhances the tranquility and allure of this idyllic retreat, perfect for modern living in harmony with nature. Modern residential building with a blend of wood and stone materials, two-story structure featuring large glass windows, surrounded by lush greenery and landscaped gardens, warm autumn colors in the background, soft afternoon light casting gentle shadows, inviting outdoor seating area with wooden chairs and potted plants, meticulously arranged stone pathways winding through the garden, detailed texture of the building facade highlighted, hyper-realistic, serene and tranquil atmosphere. A stunning, organic-shaped house constructed from irregular stonework, showcasing a blend of modern and natural aesthetics. The building features large, sweeping curves and expansive glass windows that create a seamless connection with the surrounding landscape. Set in a lush green field with wildflowers and scattered stones, the scene is illuminated by warm, inviting light emanating from the interior. The background includes gentle hills and mature oak trees, enhancing the tranquil, rural ambience. The color palette consists of earthy tones, soft greens, and warm browns, harmonizing with the twilight sky that has a subtle blue gradient. A modern stone and glass house nestled among rocky terrain and lush trees, designed in a sleek and contemporary style with a low-slope roof. The scene is set during twilight, casting a warm glow from the interior lighting against the soft blue of the evening sky. Large glass panels allow for an unobstructed view of the surrounding nature, while the exterior stone walls blend seamlessly with the natural environment. In the foreground, two stylish brown lounge chairs are positioned on a wooden deck, inviting relaxation. The color palette reflects earthy tones of gray stone, rich brown wood, and green foliage, creating a harmonious balance. A serene modern house designed with natural stone and large glass panels, situated on a gently sloping hillside overlooking a tranquil river. The scene captures the warm glow of the early morning light as it filters through trees adorned in vibrant autumn foliage, showcasing shades of orange, gold, and green. A spacious patio features elegant outdoor furniture, including a wooden dining table and comfortable chairs, creating an inviting atmosphere for relaxation. The background features rolling hills and a calm river, reflecting the soft colors of the dawn sky. A modern house design nestled among autumn trees, featuring a mix of stone and glass architecture. The home has large windows that reflect the surrounding vibrant fall foliage, showcasing shades of orange, yellow, and deep green. Soft evening light casts a warm glow, enhancing the sleek lines and materials of the structure. The landscaped garden includes neatly trimmed grass, accented with small shrubs and fall leaves scattered across the lawn. In the foreground, steps lead up to the porch, flanked by carefully arranged stones, creating a harmonious balance between nature and contemporary design. Cozy modern mountain living room with a large stone fireplace, flames flickering warmly, surrounded by natural wood elements. The room features large windows revealing a snowy landscape outside, infusing the space with soft, natural light. A plush white sofa is adorned with brown and beige throws, while a rustic wooden coffee table sits at the center on an intricate Persian rug. The flooring consists of dark slate tiles, adding contrast to the room's bright and airy ambience. The color palette includes warm earth tones, grays, and hints of deep reds and greens from the rug, creating an inviting and harmonious feel. Futuristic architectural masterpiece, showcasing a surreal, organic structure with flowing, sculptural lines. Set on a lush, rolling green hillside, the building appears to emerge naturally from the landscape. The exterior is crafted from smooth, light concrete with large, rounded windows that invite natural light inside. The atmosphere is tranquil and slightly overcast, with soft, muted colors of gray and green dominating the scene. The design features asymmetrical elements and open spaces, creating an avant-garde aesthetic that melds seamlessly with the environment. Luxurious stone villa overlooking a serene landscape at sunset, featuring a modern architectural style with organic elements. The villa, constructed from warm-toned natural stone, seamlessly blends with the surrounding greenery. A glistening infinity pool extends from the terrace, reflecting the vibrant hues of the sunset, soft oranges, deep blues, and gentle purples. Elegant wooden lounge chairs are arranged near the pool, surrounded by lush tropical plants and potted greenery. Luxurious modern villa perched on the edge of a lush tropical forest at twilight, featuring an infinity pool that reflects the soft purple and blue hues of the evening sky. The architecture blends natural stone and wood, with large glass windows revealing an elegant interior furnished with minimalist contemporary decor. Lush greenery surrounds the villa, creating a serene atmosphere. The pool is lined with smooth tiles, and the soft glow of ambient lighting from inside the villa casts a warm, inviting tone, enhancing the peacefulness of the scene.